Alright, Waluigi, are you ready to do the stirring contest? Yeah, whatever you say. If I win, I'll get the last, the last pizza roll. Oh boy, I can't wait to eat it. If I win, I will eat everything in the fridge. Wait, that wasn't part of the rule. Anyways, now, let's get this started. Are you ready, Waluigi? Ready, win. Okay, then. Oh my gosh. What are you fools doing? Shh. I'm doing a staring contest. Whoever wins, get whatever they want. Yep. You know what? I'm changing minds. I don't want to get the last pizza roll. You have to stop eating all of my food. And I will eat all of your stuff. And I'm keeping the bedroom. And you're sleeping on the couch. Alright, that's enough! Guys, can't you understand you cannot do a staring contest? Why we cannot do a staring contest? Because we're plushes! We cannot blink, we cannot do anything. So this might be doing for hours, years, and all of that stuff. So if you do a staring contest, you will be sitting here looking at the guy who you challenging with. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Oh, yeah, I see. Yep. I'm eating stuff in the fridge. Oh, no, you don't. I'm surrounded by idiots.